We're at Denali National Park, and the rough roads of Alaska and Canada dealt a heavy blow to our Airstream exterior door. You notice there's no tension in the door handle. It opens just fine and closes. And so we dug into the internal components and we'll show you what we noticed. We're just going to take the door handle assembly off. This little nubbin has to come off. Handle and plate comes off. And what we noticed is right across the top here is supposed to be, actually right in here, is supposed to be a spring. This is what the new spring, working spring, looks like. And what we noticed was this is what happened. So the hook on this left end broke off, and so this piece was kind of laying in this area behind the assembly. Quick research shows we should do it over the top. So it's literally just plugging in.
Might need a tool to help pull that. There we go.
Perfect. So right side is over the top, left side is underneath, and literally there's just a hole that you can put it into on the right, and then a handle on the left, just using some tension of our fingers, or the pull of the tension of the spring. We didn't use any tools or anything. Let's check the door. Actually, let's put the handle on first.
Yeah, works.
Works?
No floppy.
Cool. We'll put the assembly back on and see what it looks like. Last screw. Give the door shut. All right, here's the real test.
Woohoo!
Works like a charm.
Success.
So we reached out to Airstream and they said that either this part or the entire door assembly was under a 1-year warranty. So, and we're reaching year 3 of our trailer. So we actually had to reach out to the manufacturer to get the piece, which the manufacturer is Trimark Services and Replacement Parts, which they're based out in Iowa. Super easy to work with. I was not sure if the piece was going to come to us in time. We were in Fairbanks at the time, and we ended up ordering it via FedEx on Thursday, and we got it Monday afternoon. So it came pretty quick, and no problem.